How does TikTok make money? How do you spend your spare time? Hanging out with your friends or watching TikTok videos? Is there anyone who doesn't know TikTok? No one, of course. Even app developers benefit from TikTok's success as one of the leading industry examples of localization by a Chinese app company on a global scale. TikTok had launched by ByteDance in China. The ultimate goal of TikTok is to build an interactive user experience. According to marketing reports, TikTok has over 500 million active users worldwide. Among them, 85% of users are under the age of 24. TikTok is a user-friendly application available free of charge from Google Play Store and App Store. TikTok had a large number of downloads compared to Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. There are other advantages of TikTok, such as balanced entertainment, instant publicity, and more. Users can create a short video of 15 seconds in this app. Videos are turned popular and provide viewers with credibility and appreciation. They can choose from a massive variety of music, tracks, filters, and special effects. Also, a user can make entertaining video content within a matter of seconds. Do you know, ByteDance was known as the most valuable startup company in the world. According to the report, the sales of TikTok ByteDance amounted to more than $7 billion in the first half of 2019. The million-dollar question is how TikTok is earning $1 billion. Let's discuss the TikTok business model. In-app purchase. Applications in every category in Google Play Store and App Store can be an in-app purchase. Put an in-app purchase that invites users to buy or subscribe to a product or play a game. TikTok is making money from an in-house purchase. This application provides in-app purchases of coins. Such coins range from 100 to 10,000. Users can give away these coins to their mates or favorite makers. Also, these coins may be traded for digital items. October 2018, TikTok customers invested more than $3.5 million on in-app purchases. TikTok ads. Have you ever heard about the TikTok ads? Similar to YouTube, TikTok is offering a brand marketing advertisement. Small and big brands use TikTok to promote their products or services through in-feed video advertising. These videos have shown between user-generated content. Various price models are available in TikTok, such as cost per click. It charges the merchant or advertiser to TikTok if the customer clicks on a specific ad. Users are not expected to purchase or subscribe to the newsletter. Cost per view. CPV is also known as cost per mile. TikTok charges an advertisement for 1,000 impressions of their advertisement. Cost per action. It's an essential market price pattern. The advertiser pays to TikTok when a certain activity is performed out through the way of an ad. This can involve app installation, purchasing, form submission, newsletter subscription, paid subscription plans. TikTok earns money through the subscription model as well. Everybody recognizes that TikTok is a successful news media platform. Today, TikTok is planning to launch a streaming music service. These services provide paid music subscription plans like Apple Music and Spotify. Users can create and share their videos at any time and anywhere. This subscription music plan helps TikTok to reach a diverse audience across the globe. Fundraising? Is your project at the initial stage? If yes, perfect. Fundraising is the best option for you. Fundraising is the process of collecting money by requesting donations from businesses, individuals, or charity organizations. Even TikTok, fundraising is one of the ways to make profits. According to research, more than $3 billion have funded by high-class investors. TikTok dominates the universe. People can't avoid using the TikTok application. It's a combination of Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Companies are using TikTok to market their products and generate profit. Additionally, TikTok implements several ways to make money, such as in-app purchases, advertisements, paid-up subscription plans, fundraising, and more. Also, TikTok allows massive content creators to monetize their content and generate money from it. Considering the long-term success of content creators, TikTok can be a win-win strategy. Enjoyed the video so far? Don't forget to press the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. And also subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more content like this.